So good afternoon everyone. Our event is all about concert. So our company name is Noista. Next. Next. Company profile, contact details, social media. So we already discussed this guys last meeting. Next.
So what?
No.
Tagline, mission, vision. Vicinity map, so nawawala siya guys. Hindi ko.
Mali agad.
Oy, nandiyan, meron yan. May screenshot kami. Oh, ayun, nauna ka. Pangalan ni kami yan, diba ba? So, vicinity map. Next.
Lapit ka.
Service offer. Ticketing services, stage production, security services, catering services, health and safety services, marketing and promotion, transportation and logistics, and technical support. Next.
Lapit ka. Hindi ka makita.
Management capabilities, event planning, budget management, staff and artist relations, risk management, promotion and marketing, technical understanding, crowd management, and post event. Next. So our past event, so wala siyang picture. So as you can see, Silent Factory, Beanie, Ben and Ben. Moira de la Torre, SB19.
Moro?
Management and team, event organizer. Sino yan? Walaan tayo. So guys, wala siyang picture, so hindi ko memorize. Kung sino man yan, blind item na lang yan guys. For, confidential.
Dapat memorize yun eh.
Management and team, marketing manager, operation manager, production manager. Next. Ako yata to eh. So ako na yan. So organization ng, si Pilapil. Mahula-hula na lang tayo. So this event coordinator is me. And one of the finance is Calcita. Marketing manager is Clara yata. Next.
Yata?
So our proposal letter, babasahin ka ba yan?
Yes!
September 10, 2025. Cedric Salvador, manager of Viva Records, Quezon City, Philippines. Dear Mr. Salvador, good day. We would like to propose a well-known a spectacular band concert by Capo Joe to be held at Araneta Coliseum on March 20, 2026. The concert aims to showcase live music, entertainment stars, and create a memorable experience. The proposal also highlights the importance of promotion and marketing technical setup, crowd management, and post-event evaluation to ensure the success of the event. Thank you once again for your ongoing trust in our services. We look forward to the possibility of sharing this delightful experience for you. Respectfully yours, Princess Delaten. Ay, dapat Prince pala. Noise Lab Management, Quirino Avenue, Parañaque City. So our proposal title, Multiple Spectacular Band Concert by name of the sponsor, Cedric Salvador. Proposed date of the event, September 10, 2025. Event outline, the name of the event, Multo by Cup of Joe. Event theme is band concert, estimated duration of the event 6 hours. Venue at Araneta Coliseum. Very hard.
Hey!
Event summary, the 5 WF. Ay, WF pala. Band concert an event where you get to see your favorite band idol with a person and enjoy hearing your favorite songs performed by. When March 20, 2026, where Araneta Coliseum, Cubao, Quezon City, Metro Manila, time at 9 p.m. Who? Capo Joe and fans. Why? To give opportunity to meet the lead singer of your favorite and band experience the hit song of Capo Joe performed live. How? They handle the last live concert by the coordinating logistics, scheduling, and technical aspects such as sound, lighting to ensure the smooth performance. Additionally, they manage the band interaction with the audience through and other stakeholders, ensure the memorable and enjoyable experience. Poster or banner, so as you can see, these are poster and banners at the event. Panginoong TV. O, ito yung ticket namin. Ewan ba't hindi naman nakikita yung sa taas. Our flyers po. Floor plan namin, ewan mo, ba't di nagpapakita? Basta nandito yan siya, ma'am. Ay, kanino nga pala yan? Hindi sa akin yung mga Ma'am, ayaw mo ba?
Ayaw lumabas na mga picture.
Papasukin nyo.
Wala, bakit nakawala yung mga picture? Wala, bakit di nilay?
Basahin niyo sa cellphone niyo. Di ba may dami kayo yung sexa?
Ganun pa kasi yung picture po. Para
Pakita mo sa yung mga picture din. Mailapit mo. Yung sa akin.
Kayo magbasa mismo dyan sa cellphone niyo.
Ay, oo, babasahin mo.
Di ba nakatoka-toka yung babasahin niyo?
Yes.
Kadukoy ka connect kasi.
Hindi naman lang internet.
Kadukoy pa connect na si Jason.
Ano ba kalan?
Naka-even na.
Malapit talaga.
Ayun ang parang.
Ito talaga yung maka-even na.
Malapit.
Sir. Sigaw ka.
Ano ba marami?
Wala na, gusto yung oras sa akin. Sige mo, dyan ako na.
So yung ating venue floor plan, which is merong stage, merong red gate, wait lang ba?
Mahirap kasi.
Wait lang, hindi na floor
Hindi
dito
kasi
sa mga.
parang alam mo yun eh.
Ay nako, kasi hindi kayo ready, hindi kayo nag-load.
Wala signal mo eh.
Pati sa kalawa. Dami nyo ah. Hindi kayo nag-load ah.
Puro naka-wifi daw, ma'am.
Wala mga screen test yung mga phone nila, ma'am.
Talaga mga video lang.
So this is our floor plan, which is we have a stage and tech booth, which is we controlling the sound system and mga light effects. And this is our very visit and patron A and patron B and lower back and upper back. Then we have a red gate, south gate, green gate, and general admission gates. And we have a camera gate. And this is our exit. And our exit is red gate and the fire exit is green gate. And our entrance is general admission gate and the south gate. And this is our map of the menu, which is located at the General Rojas Avenue, Cubao, Quezon City. And this is our venue, which is the Smart Araneta Coliseum.
Arnita.
So this is our proposed option. So sa main course, meron kaming sweet and sour pork, meron roast beef with creamy mushroom, and butter shrimp. So sa appetizer naman, meron kaming fruit platter, tacos, and lumpia. So sa dessert naman po is meron po tayo strawberry shortcake, tapos po banana split pie, tapos brownies topped with chocolate, topped with vanilla scoop ice cream, and drizzled with chocolate sauce. And sa beverage naman po is fruity juice. So our program nagaganapin sa March 20, 2026 sa Araneta Coliseum, Cubao, Quezon City, Metro Manila. So mag-open gate ng 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Meron din silang pre-show entertainment ng 30 minutes, which is 10 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. and opening remarks ng 10:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. and opening activity 1 ng 11 to 11:30 and intermission number ng 11:30 to 11:50 p.m. and headliner artist, which is dito na magpa-perform yung mga artist ng 11:50 p.m. to 12:40 p.m. at may short break para sa mga artist ng 12:40 p.m. to 1 p.m. and encore performance, yung kanilang ending performance ng 1 a.m. to 2:45 a.m. at closing remark ng 2:45 a.m. to 3 a.m.
So our budget outline, particular, venue, light and sound, food and drinks, poster banner ticket, stage decoration, miscellaneous, and additional. So, the amount of venue is 300,000, light and sound 60,000, food and drinks is 17,500, poster banner ticket 250,000, stage decorations is 70,000, miscellaneous is 50,000. So the additional is 50,000. So the subtotal is 797,500 pesos. Service charge is 79,000. So the service charge is 797,500 times 0.12% is equal to 79,750. Tax is 12%, which is 95,700. Contingency is 159,500. And the total is 334,950 pesos.
So, dito na lang po tayo sa quotation. Our venue rental is the name of Araneta Coliseum, Cubao City, and their email is aranetacoliseum@gmail.com, and their contact number. So, bill to Angela Calcita, and our client's name is Saila Paraque. And our client's address is Pasig City. Hindi na edit. So, the description is venue rental of exclusive